This 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door hardtop is a stunning blend of classic style and modern performance. Originally finished in white, the body was refinished in a bold red during its 1997 refurbishment. Signature Bel Air styling cues remain, including stainless moldings, tail fins, and dual exhaust outlets, while the fuel filler remains cleverly concealed above the left taillight. Chrome accents on the grille, bumpers, and trim add to its timeless appeal, making this car an absolute head-turner. Rolling on 17-inch chrome-finished Coys wheels wrapped in Nitto NT555 tires, this Bel Air not only looks good, but also performs exceptionally well. The front anti-sway bar and rear traction bars enhance handling and stability, while power-assisted front disc brakes and rear drums provide reliable stopping power. This classic has been upgraded to handle the road with confidence. Inside, the cabin has been beautifully retrimmed with gray vinyl and red cloth upholstery on the bench seats, with matching door panels and plush red carpeting. Comfort is further enhanced by an aftermarket air conditioning system and power windows. The dash retains its vintage look, but is equipped with a custom auto-sound cassette stereo and an Alpine CD stereo mounted beneath, ensuring the best of both worlds: classic design with modern entertainment. The trunk has been meticulously finished to match the interior, featuring upholstered panels that cleverly conceal an Optima battery, a Pioneer amplifier, and even a fire extinguisher. Every detail has been carefully considered to maintain a clean and polished look. The driver is greeted by a Leccara steering wheel and a full set of aftermarket gauges, including a 120 miles per hour speedometer with an inset tachometer, along with readouts for fuel level, water temperature, voltage, and oil pressure. The digital odometer shows just 9,000 miles, reflecting the distance driven since its restoration in the 1990s. Under the hood, this Bel Air packs serious power with a 383 CI Stroker V8 engine installed during the refurbishment. It's equipped with an Edelbrock intake manifold, dual 4-barrel carburetors, and an MSD ignition system. Polished accessories, an aluminum radiator, and coated exhaust headers feeding into a dual exhaust system complete the high-performance setup, ensuring this classic not only looks good, but delivers plenty of power on the road. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a 700R4 4-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth shifts and effortless cruising. This 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air combines vintage charm with modern upgrades, making it a perfect classic for those who want both style and performance.